Good afternoon once again, Watauga. Today is Friday, July 17th, 2020, and time for another one of my updates. I'll start again with a big thank you to all the citizens and the businesses in Watauga for how they have responded to the mask mandate. I can also tell you that during my weekly conference call with Tarrant County officials this week, that several of the area mayors talked of issues they were having with compliance. And I'm proud to say that Watauga is not one of those cities. So thank you to everybody for that support. Please continue to wear your mask properly, where and when appropriate. And I can't pass up an opportunity to once again mention social distancing. As last week, Texas continues to be one of the states leading the nation in new cases. So with that, let's take a look at the latest numbers from Tarrant County Public Health. We've now had 20,907 positive cases. That's an increase this week of 3,573 cases, or an average of 510 new cases per day. Today, though, we had 562 new cases. We've had 288 deaths, 10,070 recoveries. Watauga, we continue to climb with everybody else. We're up to 135 positive cases, 59 recoveries, and unfortunately we have had a second death. Hospital bed utilization for COVID patients, still just under 10%, with the overall hospital bed utilization down slightly to 58%. For those that don't know, the governor has suspended elective surgeries in many counties across the state, and although Tarrant County is not currently one of those, some of our hospitals have voluntarily suspended those types of operations. I would suspect that if our numbers continue as they are, we will join that list pretty quick. And a reminder that pursuant to the governor's executive order, outdoor gatherings of more than 10 individuals taking place in an unincorporated area in Tarrant County are prohibited unless approved by the county judge. If your event falls within the city located in Tarrant County, you are required to obtain approval from that city's mayor. I can tell you that I've had numerous requests come across my desk and they have all been approved. Now, we're still waiting on approval from Tarrant County on the submitted expenses for our COVID funding. Hopefully, we'll have an answer soon. And once again, I'll mention that latest program, Care for Tarrant. That's CARE, the number 4, Tarrant. It's a rental assistance program and so much more. It brings $209 million in coronavirus relief funds. So, look into it. If you think there's a possibility that you're eligible, apply for it. The absolute worst thing that can happen, they'll turn you down. So, look into it. We also continue to work with all of our local businesses to assist them in any way that we can. And as always, please continue to shop and dine Watauga as much as you possibly can. This week's business that I would like to highlight is Watauga Dental. They are celebrating 35 years with the city of Watauga. So, congratulations to Watauga Dental. And due to the COVID concerns, City Hall will continue with reduced staffing levels, but we will have normal operational hours. All the other city departments remain basically the same. And Tuesday, July 21st, we will have the Watauga Economic Development Corporation virtual meeting at 6 p.m. The meeting will be streamed live, or you can join and participate, or submit your questions ahead of time and they'll be read into the record. With that, I'll just remind you again, family, friends, and neighbors. It is what makes Watauga a great place to live. Thank you and have a great weekend.